Next chapter is dissolution of partnership firm. See, previously we have seen dissolution of partnership. In such a case, only partnership deed is dissolved, but the business goes on going. Here in dissolution of partnership firm, the business come to an end. And what is the meaning of dissolution of partnership firm? Complete closure of the business is called dissolution of partnership firm. Now, what are the causes of this dissolution of partnership firm? One, due to continuous losses, the partners may decide to close the business. And due to disputes among the partners, they may ultimately decide to cancel to close the business. And due to completion of the project, suppose a big project, for a big project they have come to the partnership and they have opened this firm, and sometimes after completion of that project, the partners may decide to close the firm. And due to death or unsound mind of a partner, sometimes a partner is dead and the other partners may decide to close the business. And sometimes a partner become unsound minded. In such a case, the heirs of that, means executors of that unsound minded partner, may go to the court and they may get the order to close the business. And the last one, most important, is compulsory closure or compulsory dissolution. In this case, the partners are caught, means the firm is caught doing illegal activities which are harmful to the business, to the society. And in such a case, the court may give order to close the business. And sometimes because of the activities of the business, the environment is being polluted. In such a case also, the firm may come to closure by the order of the court. In all these cases, the partnership firm comes to an end. And procedure, how to, it is not easy to close the business just by shutting the doors. So there is a procedure, legal procedure. One, that is, first assets of the business are sold and amount realized. And out of that realized amount, first of all, in a sequence payments are made. External liabilities, that is creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, bank loan, if any, are paid off. And after that, if any amount is left, the internal liability, that is partner's loan, if any, is paid. And then the partners' capital accounts are settled either by paying the cash to them, or either by withdrawing the amount excess in their capital account, or by bringing the enough cash to make up their capital account. This is the procedure of the dissolution of partnership firm. So let us see once again. The dissolution of partnership firm means complete closure of the business. And what are the causes? Due to continuous losses, or due to disputes among the partners, due to completion of the project, or the expiry of the time for which they have made the firm, they have come into partnership, and due to the death of a partner, or due to unsound mind of a partner, the executors of the unsound minded partner will bring may bring the court's order to close it. And if the firm is doing illegal activities and is caught by the court, and the court may give orders, and this is known as compulsory closure or compulsory dissolution. Next, procedure. Assets are sold and amount is realized.